It was me! Yes! I did it like this! I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Hey Grandma, check out this picture of my girlfriend.
Oh, she looks lovely, dear.
Thanks, Grandma.
Oh, what a lovely dick pic, dear. Sneeko, you beating me in a fight doesn't unfuck your girlfriend from the numerous men that had sex with her in front of you.
It's so sad Steve Jobs died of ligma.
Who the hell is Steve Jobs?
Ligma balls.
Day 3 to 5 of asking you to shock your balls. Bro, I'm not gonna shock my...
Like a nigga wife me. Got another shorty, she ain't nothing like me. Yeah. About to catch another fade. Apple bottom.
So this truck right here, it runs like a dream. You know how when you're running in your dream and it feels like you can't get nowhere? That's how it runs.
I'll do anything, I'll do whatever it takes to...
Stop acting like you know the way ahead, like you know the rules. There are no rules, man. We're lost.
I see.
Oh shit, the fish is still alive, bro.
I know.
Oh my god, it might live. Bro, I could save this fish.
Bro, that's a crazy gun.
Bro, fuck that gun, bro.
Bro. Oh shit. Ah!
I looked her up and down and I said, girl, you're looking fine. Then she pulled out a penis that was twice the size of mine.
Alright guys, so Mary doesn't believe that I could chug a Red Bull in 2 seconds.
I think that's disgusting.
So I'm gonna show her how it's done.
Disgusting.
Look at this bunny rabbit eating this celery. Oh my god.
Oh, look at this guy with no bitches.
Fuck you looking at? What they want? Fuck you.
They didn't do nothing.
Look at you just sitting there watching me.
2, 1, go.
It says the second worst thing to ever happen to these orphans. What does that mean, Technoblade?
Means that I was the second worst thing to ever happen to those orphans.
And what's the first worst thing to happen to those orphans?
Quackity, they weren't always orphans.
It was at this moment Jackson knew he fucked up.
You want food?
Alright, here's that sandwich for you.
Actually, can I get that cut in half?
Yeah, absolutely.
Real quick. Sorry about that.
You're good. you go. Enjoy.